Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that WhatsApp has added a new feature that lets you create text stickers directly in your chats? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp and go into any chat where you want to send a text sticker. Now tap on the sticker icon inside the message box. Next, tap on the search icon. Here's where the magic happens. Type any word or phrase that you want to turn into a sticker. After typing, tap on the sticker icon again to see the results. You'll now see a bunch of custom text stickers generated from your phrase, along with other related stickers. Just tap on any sticker you like, and it will be instantly sent in the chat. Quick tip: shorter phrases look better because the text appears larger, while longer phrases may look smaller and harder to read. Also, once you send a text sticker, it gets saved at the top of your sticker section, so you can easily use it again later. And that's it. That's how you can create and send text stickers on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.